here. Welcome to my channel. Today I just want to share some wins from my world in OKC. If you guys don't know Tammy, you should go by her channel. She is super fun and she had a giveaway and I want to share my wins. So it was a small giveaway and I got some really new fun stickers, and these are Valentine stickers, guys. Look how cute these are. They have little like it looks like stamps to me, or things you would stamp a letter with. I just think these are so adorable. So I got a package of these, and then I also got another package of these Valentine's stickers. So I'm building my stash for next year because I've used a lot already this year. So that's what these look like. And then she also sent me some cute little die cuts here. And look how adorable the top is, that she created a little bag topper. I just think that's really cute. So some little flowers. And then she also sent me some little butterflies. So awesome. And last, I almost missed it, these cute little teeny tiny baby buttons. So I just want to say thank you so much, Tammy, and you guys go by her channel, My World in OKC. Everything will be linked down in the description box. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.